Alright, hello. This is Mr. Gomez. How's everybody doing? I'm going to teach you guys how to access the social studies textbook. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Chrome. Alright, so you're in Google Chrome and you want to access your social studies textbook. You go to Google. Alright, for me, this is the first page that pops up, but you want to go to this page right here, to Google. And to get here, you can just type Google. And then you're going to click on the waffle. This square is called a waffle. So you're definitely going to click on the waffle. Once you click on the waffle, you're going to scroll down where this says, you're going to scroll all the way down to Savas Easy Bridge. So click on that one. And again, just so you know, I'll show you again. And it's this one right there. The one that says Easy Bridge. Alright, and then that one's going to take you to this one. You're going to click on Savas Realize. The last one, Savas Realize, that's the one that you should click on. And it's going to take you to this page. And then click on Browse. And never mind, you go back. You can click right here on the green. So click on the green. And I would go to eText. Go to where it says eText. And then you should have, I have 4 choices, but you guys are going to have 2. eText del estudiante con audio, somos Texas. Student eText with audio, we are Texas. So you click on it, open a window, and it'll be the same thing in Spanish. I'll show you how to get there in Spanish. It comes up, and then for the first assignment, you're going to click on Celebrating Texas and the Nation. And you're going to read pages 8 and 9. And you're going to do question 11. So read both of these pages and then do this. Also, right here, if you click here, it's going to read it to you. So if you click on play, it'll read the story to you and play. So whenever you go to my class, so let's do Google Classroom. And it might look different from yours. You're going to go to classwork, social studies citizenship. As you can see, I already have the link on there. So you can just click on the link and it'll take you to the same page that I just sent you to. And you're going to type your answer on here. So just type in whatever your answer, whatever it is that you would have written down. And you want to write it on here, you can go ahead and you can write it right there. Okay, if you have any questions or anything else, just let me know, but that is how you will access the textbook. Alright, thank you.